BOTAweld.com.
Anti-drift turning rolls. The BKTF series turning rolls are a C-enterline adjustable anti-drift roller. The turning rolls wheels are driven independently from one another with its own motor, and the idler roll has a single or dual wheel powered screw uplift device which is automatically adjustable by a sensor. The BKTF roll is designed to compensate for in-creep, workpiece alignment and the rotation of cone-shaped cylinders. The BKTF rolls can rotate workpieces with diameters ranging as small as 20 for up to 50 and load capacities from 40 to 1600 metric tons. Powering this unit is an adjustable frequency AC drive and to 2 inverter duty AC motors. Anti-drift system. During C-seam welding of shell sections on Rotator-Rs, axial movement of shell or shell drifting invariably takes place. This drifting cannot be avoided. Reasons for this drifting could be geometrical inaccuracies of individual shells, inaccuracies of drive unit and idler unit alignment, etc. Even if the drive unit and idler units are aligned with each other initially. 0.11 during shell loading, the alignment tends to get disturbed. In lighter AA shells, this drifting can be stopped by positive stoppers. However, in heavier shells, due to axial drifting, tremendous pressure will get generated and this pressure will come on the positive stopper, if provided, and will break it. Ideal solution is to prevent this happening. To avoid creating such situation, this is achieved through anti-drifting arrangement. In this case also, drifting will take place which cannot be avoided, but the movement will be restricted within a band of plus 5 mm. Seam will keep floating forward and backward within this range.